Okay, welcome back. Last lesson we were looking at coordinates. Specifically, we were looking at coordinates, plotting them, and then finding the coordinates of a point. Today we're going to look at that again, but we're also going to look at finding the midpoint of two coordinates. Okay, so I've got a few questions for us to have a look at. If you want to draw this grid out first, so pause the video and draw this grid out, that might be a good way, and then you can just work alongside me as well. Okay, so if you are doing that, pause the video, draw the grid out, and then carry on. Okay, so 3 points are shown on a grid. Okay, A, B, C, 3 points. Write down the coordinates of point C. Okay, so remember we go across first, we measure the x-axis first, and then we go up to the y. So we go 5 along, okay, and we go 6 up. So the coordinates of C are 5, 6. Okay, ABCD is a rectangle. Plot the point D. Okay, so we plot the point D. Okay, so D, to make this a rectangle, D is obviously going to have to go there. Okay, so we're going to go across 2, up 6, okay, and the point is 2, 6. That's just as a reminder. Okay, it is only one quadrant, but it's just a reminder, a bit of a refresher from what we did last lesson. Okay. Right, write the coordinates of A. Okay, so we go across 1, up 3. So it's 1, 3. Remember, we're now back to 4 quadrants. Okay, so we measure along the x-axis first, and then we go y second. Okay, think about the alphabet. Okay, x first, then y. Coordinates of C, so we're measuring across first. Okay, so it's -5 across, and then down to -4. Now, M is the midpoint of the line from A to B. Okay, so we're going across there like that. Okay, so this is the line from A to B, and halfway along this is M. So what we're going to do, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 squares across. Okay, so therefore it's going to be 2 squares across is halfway. So this is point M. Okay, because it's halfway along there. Okay, and we're going to go across 3, up 3. So it's 3, 3. Okay, what we're going to do then, okay, is we're going to have a look at, I'm going to put another point on here. Okay, and I'm going to put it, we'll put it here. Should we, yeah, we'll put it there. Okay, and I'm going to call this point D. And what we're going to do, okay, is we're going to find the midpoint from D to B. Excuse the awful line. Okay, I forgot to bring my ruler. Okay, we're going to find the midpoint of this line here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to draw a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to go from D to B, and I'm going to draw a triangle like that. Now this side along here is 1, 2, 3, 4 squares along. So half of that is 2 squares along. Okay, so we're going to go across 2. Now we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So this time we're going to go up 3 squares. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go across 2, and I'm going to go up 3. So 1, 2, okay, up 3, 1, 2, 3. So the midpoint there, okay, it's just a question I've added in. The midpoint of the line here is across 3, up or down 0. So it's going to be 3, 0. That's the way that I want. If you're given a straight line like this, you can just look at it and say where halfway is. But if you're given a line like this, okay, you need to make this triangle. Okay, now you could do it going up and across, or you could do it across and then up. It doesn't matter either way, okay, so long as you get your measurements correct and you half it. If you're going for halfway along, it's the midpoint, just half these measurements and draw the dot. Okay, if you've got any issues with this, let me know. Okay, the first part you should be okay on, I think, because this is what we've done in the previous lesson. This bit, maybe a couple of issues here and there, however, I think you should be okay on it, but if not, let me know. All right, have a good day, guys, and make sure you do the worksheet, please. Thank you.